You. Kaya na-memorize niya.
Madam, narinig nyo ha. Paborito nyo raw.
You are sunshine. You are the reason.
Kinakanta raw ni, kinakanta ni Kasantos yung paborito nyo, madam.
Wow.